People bought some plants during this pandemic, and the popular plant is the house plant. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest indoor plant house plant for beginners, and I'm going to show you the top 5 low maintenance house plant. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Mark of the Jungle. It's my new channel featuring indoor and outdoor plants. And if you are interested and if you are new here to my channel, please do support me by clicking the subscribe button and click the notification bell below to update more videos. So for today's video, I am going to show you the top 5 easiest plant in house plant. So as you can see, I have here a bunch of plants, different types of plants, which I'm going to show you later. Top 5 house plant, easiest to take care, easiest to take care. So without further ado, let's get started. We all know that begonia is a flowering plant, but some species are commonly grown in indoors.
Begonias growing indoors should be moved to a partly sunny location outdoor during the summer. Some begonias do not tolerate direct sunlight and should be placed in the shade. So they can survive a low light, so they are easy to maintain. And also, one tip of propagation is this begonia can propagate using these leaves. Wow, it's very interesting. So you can put it in the soil so they can grow faster, so they are easy to maintain and easy to care for the beginners.
So the top 4 easy plant to take care of is the aglaonema. They are known as commonly Chinese evergreen.
Chinese evergreen plants or aglaonema are easy care low light plants that also clean the air of harmful chemical. As you can see, I have here 2 variety of aglaonema. What I love the most is it's very easy to take care of this plant because this plant can tolerate low light. You can put it in a dark shadow of your room, or you can put it in a comfort room or beside your bed, and this plant can survive.
Top 3 easiest to take care is the aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant and very easy to take care.
Aloe vera is like a cacti, succulent, do best in a dry condition. You can put it in a low light or in the shady light or in direct light. For the beginners, I recommend this plant to you guys because this is very easy to maintain and to take care. Because I believe that more succulent type of plant is less watering. So when you less watering, less take care. So this got easy in houseplant.
The top 4 plant is the Sansevieria, or classified as a Dracaena now.
Sansevierias, or what we call now the Dracaena, classified as a Dracaena, are taught as nail and about our easy houseplant ever come across. Their common names are bound brain, smile to the face. It is called mother and tongue, snake plants, and devil's tongue. And of course, Sansevieria can tolerate very low light. You can put in a shade or in direct light or everywhere. This plant is very nice plant.
The top 1 is the lucky bamboo.
Lucky bamboo is an easy plant to take care for, which makes it great for offices and homes alike. It's happy growing in the soil or water. You know, my lucky bamboo is very old. It's my first plant ever here in my house. So this can be a lot of propagation that I make. So it's easy to propagate and it's easy to take care of. So I recommended this for the beginners and who will be begin for a new plant lovers. So of course, this is very a lucky plant and lucky for your career.
That's the end of our video today. Hope you like this video and hope that you learned something from this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell below to update my new videos in Mark of the Jungle, because I believe that more plants, less stress.